Welcome back to the Daily House Ideas, your go-to channel for beautiful, livable home inspiration. I'm so excited today because we're doing a full spring refresh through an entire farmhouse, from the front facade all the way to the garage and patio. If you're new here, a big warm welcome. Please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss a video. And if this gives you all the cozy spring feels, drop a comments below. Spring is the season of lightness, new beginnings, and fresh eyes, and there is absolutely no better design style to celebrate it than a warm, airy farmhouse aesthetic. Let's dive in together and bring those beautiful spring details into every corner of your home. The farmhouse facade is your home's first sentence. Make it a beautiful one. This spring, think white or soft warm gray board and batten siding, a charcoal or forest green front door, and matte black hardware for that classic contrast. Swap out heavy winter wreaths for a lush eucalyptus and wildflower wreath on the door. Line the front path with potted lavender, white ranunculus, or tulips in terracotta planters. Add a vintage lantern wall sconce on each side of the door. The key design principle here? Layering textures, wood, stone, and greenery creates depth and warmth that feels curated, never overdone. Your home's exterior sets the entire emotional tone of everything that follows inside. A farmhouse entryway should feel like a warm hug the second you walk in. Start with a shiplap-backed coat rack with chunky iron hooks, perfect for hanging linen jackets, straw hats, and woven tote bags this season. Below it, a built-in or freestanding shoe cabinet in white painted wood keeps everything neat and organized. Add a cushioned bench with wrought tan sides for easy shoe changes. Mount an arched or distressed frame mirror to bounce that beautiful spring light around the space. Finish the floor with a jute or cotton runner in a subtle stripe or vintage floral. A small terracotta pot of trailing ivy and a wooden key holder with labeled hooks complete this perfectly functional, perfectly charming welcome space. This is where the farmhouse aesthetic truly sings. Anchor the space with a slip-covered linen sofa in warm white or oatmeal. Slipcovers are a farmhouse staple. Washable, relaxed, and effortlessly beautiful. Layer in sage green, dusty blue, and blush throw pillows for a spring palette that feels fresh but grounded. Bring the outdoors in with a galvanized metal bucket of cherry blossoms or peonies on the coffee table. A reclaimed wood coffee table, a vintage wool rug with faded florals, and sheer linen curtains letting that golden hour glow pour in. This room is spring personified. Don't forget to declutter the shelves and let a few curated pieces breathe in the space rather than crowding every surface. The farmhouse dining room is all about gathered, generous warmth. Choose a long trestle table in natural oak or pine. The grain and knots are features, not flaws. Pair it with mismatched crossback chairs or a mix of bench and armchairs for that collected over time feel. For spring table decor, layer a linen runner in sage or ivory. Then cluster varying height clear glass vases with wildflowers, baby's breath, and eucalyptus stems down the center. Use earthenware plates, linen napkins tied with twine, and brass candlestick holders for dining by warm candlelight. Overhead, a woven rattan pendant light ties it all together with warmth and organic texture that is simply stunning. The kitchen is where spring mornings truly come alive. Start with two-tone cabinetry. Upper cabinets in crisp white, lower cabinets in muted sage or navy for depth and that modern farmhouse contrast. Style your open shelves with white ironstone pitchers, stacked linen look plates, and a small potted herb garden in terracotta. In the corner, style a compact matte black espresso machine or French press coffee station on a small wooden tray with a sprig of rosemary and your favorite mug. Around the stainless or matte white refrigerator, add a chalkboard panel for the week's menu notes. On the stove backsplash, white subway tiles with soft gray grout remain the most timeless and beautiful choice in farmhouse kitchen design. The family room is where real life happens. Movie nights, game days, lazy Sunday afternoons. In farmhouse design, the challenge is styling around a flat TV without it becoming the room's only focal point. Frame it with a shiplap accent wall painted in warm white. The TV recedes beautifully against it. Build out a simple console with wicker baskets below for blanket storage. Flank the TV with tall candlestick holders, a trailing pot hose plant, and a vintage wall clock. Add an oversized sectional in warm gray or biscuit, a chunky knit throw, and a woven-proof ottoman for extra seating. For spring, swap the heavy winter blankets for open-weave cotton throws in sage or blush, light, breathable, and beautifully seasonal. You don't need a full room for a farmhouse home office, just a thoughtful, intentional corner. Choose a small antique or reclaimed wood writing desk with hairpin legs for that perfect rustic meets modern look. On the desk, style a unique vintage desk clock. A small brass carriage clock or a round wooden face dial adds so much personality and warmth to the space. Add a petite retro-style radio or Bluetooth speaker in cream or olive, functional and absolutely adorable. A ceramic pen holder, a linen desktop organizer, and a small succulent in a clay pot complete the setup beautifully. Hang a pegboard painted sage green on the wall above for pinned notes, small hanging planters, and your daily intentions. This space should feel like a privilege to sit and work in. Every farmhouse deserves a reading nook that feels like its own little world. Tuck a tufted love seat or a deep linen armchair into an alcove or bay window. Dress the window with sheer white curtains layered with a soft Roman shade in a pale botanical print. Stack a few hardcover books and a vintage apothecary bottle vase with dried lavender on a small side table nearby. Add a wicker floor lamp with a warm Edison bulb for that perfect golden evening reading light. Pile the chair with a mix of embroidered cushions in cream, sage, and soft yellow to make it absolutely irresistible. This nook should feel removed from the rest of the house, quiet, still, and completely, wonderfully yours. Spring bedroom design is all about softness stacked upon softness. Start with a wooden shiplap or whitewashed plank headboard. It sets the entire farmhouse tone of the room. Dress the bed in white cotton percale sheets and a linen duvet in soft sage or blush. Then layer a hand-stitched quilt in a vintage floral at the foot of the bed for that beautifully relaxed heirloom feel. Arrange a mix of Euro pillows, standard pillows, and one lumbar accent cushion in complementary spring tones. On the nightstand, place a small ceramic vase with garden roses or ranunculus stems, a diffuser with eucalyptus oil, and a linen shade table lamp. Natural light is your best accessory. Keep window treatments sheer and let the soft morning in. The farmhouse bathroom should feel like a spa you built yourself. For the shower, use white subway tiles in a herringbone pattern paired with brushed nickel or matte black fixtures for bold contrast. Add a teak shower shelf or wooden bath caddy with artisan soap and a small eucalyptus bundle tied to the shower head. The steam releases the most beautiful natural scent. At the vanity, choose a vessel sink in matte white or speckled ceramic atop a wooden console or painted dresser vanity. Hang an arched, unlacquered brass mirror above it for that vintage luxe moment. Finish with fluffy white cotton towels folded in a wicker basket and a spring wildflower print in a simple frame on the wall. The garage deserves design love too. A farmhouse garage blends function and character seamlessly. Start with white painted walls and exposed wooden ceiling beams, instantly rustic, airy, and full of soul. Install a pegboard wall system painted sage green for hanging tools, gardening supplies, and a small chalkboard calendar. Use vintage-style galvanized metal bins and wooden crates for organized storage that looks as good as it functions. For spring, add a potting bench near a window with seed packets, terracotta pots, and a pretty watering can. A foldable garden wagon, vintage bicycle, or antique wheelbarrow in the corner doubles as functional decor full of farmhouse character and unmistakable charm. Your farmhouse patio is where spring truly comes alive. Create an outdoor living room with a teak or natural wood dining set paired with all-weather cushions in outdoor linen. Think sage, ivory, and soft terracotta. Define the space with a flat woven outdoor rug in natural tones. For warmth and ambience, hang Edison bulb string lights from a simple wooden pergola or between shepherd's hooks overhead. Fill oversized terracotta planters with lavender, rosemary, geraniums, and trailing nasturtiums. A vintage milk churn, a wooden ladder with potted herbs, and a galvanized watering can bring unmistakable farmhouse character. End every spring evening with a candle lantern glowing softly on the dining table. Let's get a little design geeky for a moment. In the best way. Modern farmhouse design is built on 5 pillars: natural materials, a soft neutral palette, vintage-inspired accents, functional furniture, and botanical layers. In spring, we amplify this by swapping darker winter tones for sage, blush, ivory, and soft terracotta. The style lives in its beautiful contrasts: rough-hewn reclaimed wood against crisp white walls, matte black hardware against soft linen. The guiding philosophy? Curated, not cluttered. Every piece should earn its place through either function or beauty, ideally both. This is design that feels inherited, lived in, quietly intentional, and absolutely timeless in every season of the year. Furniture in a farmhouse interior should feel solid, honest, and timeless. Always prioritize solid wood over particle board, even if it means fewer pieces. Shop thrift stores and estate sales for dining chairs, side tables, and accent pieces. The patina of real age is impossible to replicate. For upholstered pieces, choose removable, washable slipcovers in linen or cotton canvas, practical and style-defining. Mix curved organic shapes with straight-lined furniture. A round rattan chair next to a rectangular wood table creates beautiful visual tension. Avoid perfectly matching sets. The collected over time feeling is what makes farmhouse rooms feel genuinely authentic, personal, and deeply inviting to everyone who enters your home. Accessories are the sentences that complete the story your furniture starts. In spring farmhouse design, reach for ceramic and stoneware vessels in matte finishes, beeswax candles in earthy tones, vintage books stacked horizontally, hand-thrown pottery in cream or speckled clay, and always fresh or dried botanicals. Think about scale and grouping. Cluster odd numbers of objects at varying heights. A tall vase, a medium candle holder, and a small ceramic dish grouped together on a tray becomes an elegant vignette. Remember, negative space is also a design choice. Not every surface needs filling. Let the room breathe, let your eye rest. That restraint is what separates good styling from truly great, memorable design. Spring design is really a conversation with light. Your farmhouse spring palette should anchor in warm whites, soft creams, and cool off-whites, then layer in accents of sage, dusty lavender, blush pink, muted terracotta, and pale gold. Avoid anything too bright or saturated. Farmhouse spring is quiet, not loud. To maximize natural light, swap heavy drapes for sheer linen panels, remove door decor blocking glass panes, and place mirrors opposite windows to bounce daylight deep into the room. At night, warm-toned Edison bulbs at 2700 K replicate that golden hour magic beautifully. Layered lighting, ambient, task, and accent is the designer's secret to rooms that feel truly alive and welcoming at every hour. You don't need a renovation for a spring shift, just a weekend and some intention. Here are 5 easy farmhouse spring swaps. First, replace all switch plates with antique brass or matte black versions, 10 minutes per plate and completely transformative. Second, add shiplap look peel and stick panels to one accent wall for texture without the sawdust. Third, swap cabinet hardware to brushed nickel or ceramic mushroom knobs for an instant upgrade in the kitchen and bathroom. Fourth, Layer a vintage-style area rug over existing flooring for instant warmth and character. 5th, install a window box outside your kitchen or bedroom window filled with herbs or trailing ivy. Small, deliberate changes, enormous impact. The very essence of great, accessible, beautiful design. Now let's walk through the whole house with fresh eyes. From the blooming facade and the welcoming entryway, through the sun-drenched living and dining rooms, past the warmly styled kitchen with its cozy coffee corner, into the family room and that dreamy reading nook, down the hall to the serene bedroom and spa-like bathroom, through the character-filled garage, and finally onto the lantern-lit patio. Every space carries the same beautiful DNA, natural materials, a fresh spring palette, botanical life, and honest, functional beauty. The secret to a cohesive whole home design is choosing 2 or 3 recurring elements, a color, a material, a motif, and letting them thread through every room like a gentle, unifying ribbon of intention throughout. And there you have it, friends, your complete spring farmhouse home refresh, from the front porch all the way to the patio. I hope this video has given you not just beautiful ideas, but the genuine confidence to try them in your own home. Remember, great design isn't about perfection, it's about intention. Every thoughtful, loving choice you make transforms your home into a place that truly feels like you. If you try any of these ideas, please share a photo in the comments. I absolutely love seeing your spaces come to life. If this video inspired you today, give it a warm thumbs up, leave a comment with your favorite chapter, and most importantly, subscribe to the Daily House Ideas and hit that bell so we can keep creating beautiful, livable, inspiring homes together. Until next time, keep it warm, keep it real, and keep it beautifully, perfectly you.